Okay, let's see now. In last class, we studied about there are three methods of solving a quadratic equation. We studied. Correct? Understand? Remember, a quadratic equation means in that highest power itself should be 2. Understand? For example, if there is any equation like this ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. This cannot be a quadratic. Don't tell blindly, sir, inga x square irukuna, then can I call it as quadratic? அப்படி இல்ல, highest இருக்கிறதே square இருக்கணும். Okay, for example, I am having like this ax square minus c equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? Yes. Highest x square இருந்தா it is quadratic. எத்தனை terms இருக்கோ அது பிரச்சனை இல்லை நமக்கு. Understand? It may be just ax square is equal to 0. Understand? Then still it is a quadratic equation we have to tell. Understand? Square x square you should able to see. Understand? Let's see. So in today's class, and the formula is right. With the help of formula method, how to solve problems will work out two problems. Understand? So that you will be familiar. Okay. Write down the question. Solve solve by formula method. So on comparison with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what is the a value? A is equal to root 3. B is equal to 5 by 2. C is equal to minus root 7. Understand? So from here, what is the formula we are having? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a whole divided by 2. Understand? Now substitute that. Minus b is how much? 5 by 2 plus or minus root of b square means how much? 25 by 4 minus 4ac. 4 into minus minus will become plus root 21. Understand? Root 21 whole divided by 2 root 3. Understand? Which is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus or minus root of, I can write it as 25 plus 16 root 21 whole divided by 4. When it come out of the root, it will become 2 only. 2 root 3. Now observe this 2, take it common, write it as minus 5 plus or minus root 25 plus 16 root 21 whole divided by 4 root 3. Understand? Ena? In the denominator same. So I can take it as like a LCM, that 2 into 2 will become 4. Understand? Now observe, what will be the x value? Urvati minus 5 plus root of 25 plus 16 root 21 by 4 root 3. Innor what x annadadu? Minus 5 minus root of 25 plus 16 root 21 by 4 root 3. Sila pair they are trying to add these two. Don't do that. The 16 is with the root 21. You cannot add. Understand? 16 is with the root 21. You cannot add. Understand? Is that clear for everybody? So you have to do the calculation in this manner. Okay? What is your doubt, Deepika? Any calculation confusion? Which minus? Plus it should be, should be plus. Okay? This plus only. The same thing only I wrote. Okay? Understood everybody? Yes? Yes. So now the next thing, take the title Nature of the Roots. Very, very important. Nature of the roots. It was decided by one guy called D. Don. Who is D? Don. In the Don will decide. What will decide? Unga roots are real and distinct. One type. Illana real and equal. Another type. Illana no real roots at all, like that. Three possibilities. What are the three possibilities you are having here? Real and distinct roots, real and equal roots, no real roots at all. Who will decide? Mr. D will decide. Who will decide? Mr. D. Who will decide? Okay. If the D, if that D is greater than or equal to, what is that? D greater than or equal to 0. What do you mean by that? D is a positive. D is a positive. If D is positive, means greater than or equal to 0, then we get real roots. We get real roots, which means both of these is possible. Is that clear? I didn't tell any one. If it is greater than or equal to 0, who is greater than or equal to 0? D. I will name D as discriminant. What is the name of the D? Discriminant. What is the D? Discriminant. What is the D? Clear for everybody? If D is greater than or equal to 0, the roots are real. Roots are real. Sir, real distinct, real equal. அது எப்படி சார் சொல்லணும்னா பிரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. You have to split this. வெறும் D greater than 0 மாதிரி பாருங்க. வெறும் D equal to 0 தனியா பாருங்க. இந்த ரெண்டு கேசஸ்ல first of all it is real. First of all it is real. greater than 0 irundha real and distinct. Equal to 0 irundha real and equal. Purinjicha meaning? If suppose if I write this kind of symbol d is greater than 0, the roots are what? Real. That's it. I cannot tell distinct or equal. It may be anything. But enna sure சொல்ல முடியும்? Roots are real. But specifically எப்படி எழுதிட்டானா d is greater than 0. d is greater than 0. வெறும் அது மட்டும் தான் சொன்ன. என்ன சொன்னா? d is greater than 0. Then the roots are real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Sir, what about d greater than or equal to 0, the roots are? Roots are very good. It may be distinct, it may be equal. ஏன்னா ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து கொடுத்தாரு நீங்க கண்டிஷன். If we say roots are real, நீங்க என்ன கண்டிஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? greater than or equal. Roots are real and distinct. வெறும் greater than. Roots are real and equal. வெறும் equal. Are you clear with this? எப்ப எது யூஸ் பண்ணணுமோ? Sir, then if d is less than 0, meaning d is a negative, d is a positive, equal to 0, negative. If d is less than 0, d is less than 0, that means what is that? Negative. The roots are no real roots. No real roots. Is that clear for everybody? No real roots. Sir, who is this D, sir? D சொன்னார். யாரு சார் அந்த D? D என்ன டிஸ்கிரிமினேட் சொன்னார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் அந்த D எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் சார்? அந்த வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடித்த அப்புறம் தானே சொல்ல முடியாது பெருசா இருக்கு இல்லனா லெஸ் தேன் இருக்கு இல்லனா ஈக்குவல் டு இருக்கு அப்படி. D ஓட ஃபார்முலா வந்து b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. What is the formula of Mr. D? b square minus 4ac. நமக்கு b எவ்வளோ தெரியும், a எவ்வளோ தெரியும், c எவ்வளோ தெரியும், அது எல்லாம் உள்ள சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி d ஓட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிங்க. நான் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ண அப்புறம் d வேல்யூ 5 வந்திருக்கு. 5 is a positive number or negative number? Then what will tell? The equation will have roots real and distinct. நான் சால்வ் பண்ண a b c வச்சிட்ட உள்ள I got -7. No real roots. What will you tell? No real roots. எதுக்கு சொன்னேனா no real roots? Who is minus? You are minus d is less than 0, sir. Yes or no? D is negative meaning d is less than 0. Clear? D is less than 0. That's why என்ன condition அது? No real roots. Is that clear for everybody? Suppose a b எல்லா வேல்யூ போட்டா என்ன வந்திருக்கு? மொட்டை வந்திருக்கு. So what is that condition? D is equal to 0 means real and equal. So simple, right? It is. Yes or no? It's so simple, right? First of all, they will give one equation. 3x square minus 7x plus 49. This is 49 now. Plus 9. Okay, equal to 0. Something like this they give. I want to check. This guy will have which type of roots? What I want to check? Nature of roots. What I want to check? Nature of roots of this equation. Nature of roots of this equation. Immediately write what is A, what is B, what is C. A வந்து 3, B வந்து -7, C வந்து 9. So D என்ன B square minus 4AC. D என்ன B square minus 4AC. Repeat. D is equal to D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is that? B square minus 4AC. Now put ulla B evalu -7 whole square. 4 into A evalu 3 into 9. 7 7s are 49. 4 3s are 12. 12 9s are 12 9s are 108. So it is going to be a negative. Then what you will tell? Since D less than 0, since D less than 0, the equation will have no real roots. The equation will have no real roots. Are you clear with this? Are you clear with this? Any confusion in this? No confusion. Very simple. Yes or no? Yes or no? No confusion. Very, very simple it is. Clear? Now observe. Observe one special case we will do. What is that special case means? Okay. What is the formula for x? Tell me. X is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Remember, if d is less than 0, நீங்க ஒன்னும் கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டாம். No need to do anything. விட்டுருங்க. No need to anything. எப்ப no need to do anything? Tell me. If d is less than 0. If d is less than 0. நம்ம roots பத்தி ஒன்னும் சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். விட்டுருங்க அப்படி. D is less than 0. No real roots ஆகுங்க. அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிட்டு சம். Clear? இல்ல சார். இப்ப d is equal to greater than 0 இல்லனா equal to 0 வந்தா you have to solve. Greater than you have to solve fully. Greater than you have to solve fully. Now I want to do a bit of simplification for d is equal to 0. What is a d means? You said, tell me. B square minus 4ac equal to 0 h. That is what the meaning, right? D is equal to 0 meaning who is 0 here?
B square minus 4ac.
D is equal to 0 means who is 0? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Correct? புரிஞ்சிச்சா எல்லாருக்கும்? So from here, come to the equation. What is the equation? Minus b, no problem. Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac avalu. B square minus 4ac avalu. எதுக்கு சொன்னாரு? Because you are doing for this condition. So என்னது? 0. So divided by 2a. நல்லா பாருங்க. X is equal to minus b by 2a. X is equal to minus b by 2a. What is that meaning, you know? நீங்க சொன்ன right, roots will be real அப்படி ஏதோ சொன்னார், right? Real and equal சொன்னார். அப்ப என்ன மீனிங்? ரெண்டு ரூட்ஸ் இருந்தா ரெண்டு ரூட்ஸ் சேமா இருக்கணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 3னா 3, இல்ல -3னா -3, -5/2 னா -5/2, 7னா 7, ரெண்டு சேமா இருக்கணும், ரைட்? இந்த ரூட் நீங்க டைரக்டா கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் with the formula of this. What is that formula? Roots are equal condition. X is equal to minus b by 2a. நம்ம பெருசு ஃபார்முலா குட்டி ஆயிடுச்சு. நம்ம பெருசு ஃபார்முலா குட்டி ஆயிடுச்சு. இந்த ஃபார்முலா எப்ப யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? When roots are real and equal. When roots are real and equal, that is when d is equal to 0. Clarity main. Understand? Not roots are 0. Clear? Roots are real and equal. Illana discriminant 0. அந்த ரூட் டைரக்டா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்? ஜஸ்ட் போடுங்க மைனஸ் பி பை 2a. அவ்வளவுதான், ரூட் வந்திருக்கு. இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? அப்படித்தானே ரூட் வரும். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இஸ் தட் கிளியர் ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி? புரிஞ்சிச்சா? எஸ், எஸ். Now observe carefully. If you say one situation will be having roots are real and distinct. Okay, roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. That means you are going to get two values. Am I correct or not? Two values. The two values may be positive positive or may be positive negative. Yes or no? Or maybe negative negative. என்னடா நெகட்டிவ் பாசிட்டிவ் எதுக்குடா? ஒன்னு பாசிட்டிவ் ஒன் நெகட்டிவ், ரெண்டு பாசிட்டிவ் ரெண்டு நெகட்டிவ், அவ்வளவுதான். மூணு கேஸ் ஒன்லி. பாசிட்டிவ் நெகட்டிவ்னா எது வேணும்னா பாசிட்டிவ் வச்சுக்கோங்க, எது வேணும்னா நெகட்டிவ் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ அந்த ரெண்டு ரூட்ஸ் மேபி ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவா இருக்க முடியும், மேபி ரெண்டுமே நெகட்டிவா இருக்க முடியும், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் ஒரு நெகட்டிவ், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் ஒரு நெகட்டிவ். அது எப்படி சார் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும்னா, நம்ம ஏஎக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் பிஎக்ஸ் பிளஸ் சி ஈக்குவல் டு 0 இருக்கா? இருக்கா? ஏவோட சைன் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஏவோட சைன், வாட் இஸ் த சைன் ஆஃப் த கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஏ? பாசிட்டிவ். ஓகே, இது பாசிட்டிவ், அப்ப இது பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கு. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? மூணுமே பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கு. எனி சைன் சேஞ்ச் ஹேப்பன்? Any sign change happened? No, meaning negative root. Any sign change happened here? No, no meaning negative root. Same as zeros. Yes or no? That's what only we discussed, right? Ethana positive zeros, ethana negative zeros, ethana positive roots, ethana negative roots. Same procedure. What do we need to do? கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் ஓட சைன்ஸ் மட்டும் பார்க்கணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்க ஏதோ ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் நான் கொடுத்தாச்சு. ஓகே, இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் பாருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் யூ ஹாவ் டு செக் இட்ஸ் a discriminant. இது நெகட்டிவா வந்தா வாட் வில் யூ டெல்? நோ 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 நோ, இட் டோன்ட் ஹேவ் எனி ரியல் ரூட்ஸ். அப்புறம் விட்டுருங்க. கிளியர்? அது பார்த்த அப்புறம் தான் யூ ஹாவ் டு செக். Is that clear? First of all, you have to check for the discriminant if it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation na first enna check பண்ணனும்? Discriminant. என்ன செக் பண்ணனும்? Discriminant. Discriminant positive ஆக முடியும், negative ஆக முடியும், equal to 0 ஆக முடியும். Understand? Is that clear for everybody? Fine. For example, I gave study all 6 ago. Okay, 3x square minus 8x plus 4, okay, plus 4 is equal to 0 we have. Tell me about the nature of the roots. Like nature of the roots solunga first. That means d கண்டுபிடிங்க. d என்ன வரும்? b square minus 4ac, b வந்து minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, 64 minus 48. How much it will come? 12. Hello? How much you are getting?
16.
How much you are getting? Clear, right? 16. Now observe what I will ask now. The roots, sign of the roots. Ethana positive roots, ethana negative roots. Then what do you have to tell? Coefficient of x square is 3. It is positive or negative? Positive. Coefficient of x, positive or negative? Positive or negative? Negative. Constant term, positive or negative? Positive or negative? Positive or negative? Very good. Any sign change happened? Yes or no? Yes or no? That means positive root. Proper solunga. That here any sign change happened? Yes or no? That means positive root. So this should have two positive roots. This should have two positive roots. Shall we confirm that whether it is really having two positive roots or not? What is the formula for confirming? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the b? What is the b? B evalu minus 8 plus or minus root of b square, b square, b square. Sir, yes sir, already நீ கண்டுபிடிச்சார்னா அது போடுங்க directly. Yes or no? b square minus 4ac ஓட வேல்யூ நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன் already. எவ்வளவு? 16. That's what I am going to use that. Director போட்டாச்சு. Whole divided by 2a. 2 3s are how much? 6. Now observe carefully. What can I write here? 8 plus or minus 4 by 6. இப்போ ஒரு வாட்டி 8 plus 4 by 6. இன்னொரு வாட்டி 8 minus 4 by 6. 8 plus 4. 12 by 6. 12 by 6. Waste fellows said 1 by 2. They won't wear shirt on top, pant bottom. Reverse they will wear. Okay. X is equal to 8 minus 4. 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. அப்ப பாருங்க ரெண்டு பாசிட்டிவ் வந்திருக்கா நெகட்டிவ் வந்திருக்கா கரெக்ட் தானா வாட் ஆர் we did is that clear for everybody clear what you are clear till now sir one special guy is there that guy is D that guy oda formula b square minus 4ac what he will decide fate of what he will decide fate of the roots fate of the roots okay and the roots real aganuma no real he will decide understand இப்ப d1 greater than or equal to 0 na real d1 less than 0 na not real correct verum d greater than 0 na real and distinct d equal to 0 na real and d less than 0 na no real yes or no for this case real and equal what is the equation x becomes so simple minus b by 2a x formula becomes minus b by 2a எப்ப யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அது when roots are real and equal what is that equal root minus b by 2a what is that root minus b by 2a is that clear for everybody what is that root minus b by 2a any confusion over here so nature of roots pakka solving quadratic equation pakka yes or no no problem sure good now you have to do work out the problems so I will tell you which type of problems we need to work out type 1 direct question What do you mean by direct question? Na? He will give, yes, solve. Okay, solve quadratic equation. Solve quadratic equation. Here we will use numbers only. Numbers. In direct question also one type is numbers they will use. For example, 3x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. Like that. Simple question. Second question, solve quadratic equation, but here you will give variables like mx square plus m plus n into x plus n square equal to 0. Like this something they will ask. Understand? Like this something they will ask. Some kind of variable. Understood? Or else they will ask type 2 like this. என்னன்னா x minus 5 by x plus 3 plus x minus 7 by x plus 4 equal to 1. என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to do LCM. Simplify this. X minus 5 into x plus 4 x minus 7 into x plus 3 whole divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4 equal to 1. கரெக்டா? கரெக்ட் தானா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும்? எல்லாம் இது அந்த பக்கம் அனுப்புங்க, இது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, you will get a quadratic equation. And the quadratic equation you have to solve. This is the second type of question. This, this question will come for 3. Okay, 3 marks question. Next, type 3. Type 3. Type 3. Simple question. Find the nature of roots. Type 3 question and find the nature of roots. Simple question. Easier கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். If roots are real, find the roots. If roots are real, find the roots. Find the roots. Very decently asked the question. What he asked, find the nature of roots. If roots real vandirukana adu yaro kandupidinga. Like that. Very decent way. Type 4. Type 4. What is this type 4 question, you know? He will tell. He will given will be nature of roots. He will give the nature of roots. Find the unknown. There is nothing called find the quadratic equation. He didn't give the roots. Nature of the roots only kudutar. He will ask to find the unknown, some k or something they will put in the equation. Adu kandupidukku sir. So what you have to do? You have to take the help of Mr. D. You have to take the help of Mr. D based upon whatever he mentioned the condition. If nature is said real and equal, what you will tell D? D you should become 0. You will equate D as 0 and you will find that unknown. You will equate D as 0 and you will find that unknown. Is that clear for everybody? Purinjichad. Aparam. Next, type 5. Type 5. Okay. Type 5. Word problems. In this word problems, number problems. In number problems, again, simple number problems. You will be having Abrams after simple number problems, 2-digit number problems, and you will be having fraction problems. Same like that. Understand? fraction problems. After this, age problems. After this, age problems. After this, you will be having upstream, upstream, downstream problems. After this, man and woman problems. Okay, man and woman problems. Next, we'll be having no problem. Taxi problem. Adi varadadanga. Money problem. Okay, man and woman. These are major things you need to focus. Understand? And speed and distance. Actually, these two. This will comes under speed and distance only. Speed and distance only. This will comes under. Okay, fine. There are some miscellaneous geometric related problems will be there. Okay, let's see this kind of stuff we will see. So இப்போ நம்ம டார்கெட் என்னன்னா ஒரு கேட்டகரியில we will do how many questions we will do? 5 is very big, it will take so many days. 3 questions we will do in each type. Understand? In each type we will do 3 questions. Is that clear for everybody? Any confusion? No confusion, right? Yes. Yes, it is recording finally. Okay. Understand? என்ன புரிஞ்சிச்சு? ஒரு டைப்ல 3 பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? புரிஞ்சிச்சா? So, concept is done. Okay. You also can solve all problems of quadratic equation now if you try. Understand? Now our target is only to do problems. Only to do problems. Clear? Understand? Password. Connect to my mobile. Infinix Note 30. Password 128. Who is absent today? Only Lukesh. Shankar எங்க போயிட்டாடா? Kirti Vasan is in trip. Girls, ரெண்டு பேர் தானா girls? அமிர்தா, நீலேஷா. girls கேட்ட நீலேஷ் யாட சொன்னார்? வினிஷா. That's it. Okay, va? Fine. We will do problems afterwards. We'll stop it here today.